Hey guys, Ninja3 here on the Randonarchy channel, and today I am doing an unboxing. I haven't done unboxings in a long time, and that was on my old channel. And I usually just did amiibos and stuff, which I still never done for all the new amiibos I ever gotten. So I thought, might as well go back and do it. I don't know. But right now I got two things here, and they're both Marvel, and they kind of got to do with what's going on right now. On the left, we got Venom. And it says Maximum Venom. So this is like his super powerful form, I guess. And then on the right, we have What If Doctor Strange Supreme. If you've seen the What If series, you know that the Doctor Strange, I don't want to spoil too much for you. He's not exactly evil, but he is on the more evil side. But he does come to his senses eventually. And Doctor Strange is my favorite Marvel character, at least for right now. That is in the MCU. I haven't read much of the comics. So on the left here, we will start with this. So it's a large Venom, and I guess it might come with that. I'm not entirely sure. Or it comes with something for Spider-Man is what it was saying. So yeah, this guy, Spider-Man Maximum Venom. And as y'all know, Venom 2, Let There Be Carnage, just came out a couple of days ago. I haven't seen it. I will. I'm hoping it has something to do with the MCU and multiverse. Spider-Man's going to be awesome. So, I got this from my friend. I don't know if he would want to be named, though, so I'm not going to name him. But this was for my birthday, and he's just been through a tough time. And so I'm very thankful. He's a good friend. And yeah, so let's get into this. Alright, I don't know if you need to savor the boxes at all, but it's kind of hard to really do much to save. I'm really just using these scissors here. Old elementary scissors that I still have. To keep this the least messy that we can. You know. Okay. So yeah, dang, this is actually pretty cool. Because I have some other big figures like this, but this one's like wide. And just the claws and everything on it just makes it like in the face. Just Venom. Dang. I don't know. Just looks like, I don't know. But definitely gonna use them if I have to play with toys with my brother. I don't always have time to do it, but... Okay, I know, you're all like, you should just leave it in the box for collections purposes, but I like taking things out. There's a reason they made it. And, maybe someone will buy it without the case. If I end up selling it, that is. The plan is not to sell it. So, there he is. Oh, this went down a little bit. Alrighty. That's because this is doing whatever the heck it's doing here. My tripod. Hold on, let me fix this. Okay. So, gosh dang it. There he is. Alrighty. Gonna take him out of the scene really quick. That's so cool. Alrighty, so this one I just bought yesterday at the store. I don't have anything else. I do have like a small Doctor Strange figure and stuff, but I don't know. As you can tell though, you can kind of see there. He has like the rings around his eyes and everything. He just looks more menacingly. Also comes with that. What If Doctor Strange Supreme? That's what he looks like. And let me just read this for you guys. So, when an unforeseen event changes Stephen Strange's perspective on life, the path he chooses is one filled with even darker magic. So he goes with dark magic, but I don't think he's necessarily evil. The other ones that they have in this wave is read from here. Zombie Captain America, T'Challa Star-Lord, Marvel's Captain Carter, the Hunter Spidey, Doctor Strange Supreme, Heist Nebula, and Marvel's Sylvie, who was not in What If, but is definitely a big contributor to it. Now, you might be wondering what all those numbers are. They each give you a part, if you buy all of them, to make the Watcher. As you can see, the Doctor Strange is number 4, so that is his left leg, and if you take a look down there, you can see that leg there. And we'll see it when we open this box. So, I could have just cut this here, but, you know, whatever. You guys can't really, you guys aren't even watching me do anything, but, okay. And there's the leg to the Watcher. So, since I haven't bought anything else, I guess I now just have a leg that bends. And I don't know, but it bends here and above the kneecap too. It's not really working, but it definitely does. Unless it's just not by much. So, I don't know. Here is the cape. It is... What is that made out of? Is that wet? That is like... I don't know what that's made out of, but it feels like there's liquid on it. And it looks like there's liquid on it. But sweat couldn't have built up from anything. I don't know what kind of chemicals are being put onto this thing. Obviously, he doesn't get the Cloak of Levitation. So, does not choose him, I'm guessing. Let's pull his little time stone manipulator out of here. So we can put this on his hand and he can manipulate time. Yeah, I know. Not the best with that. This one's also feeling a little wet. But, here we have him. Okay. So, he's obviously wearing a different tunic and stuff. And he moves like pretty normally. You can move all the parts of this. You can move his hand. You know how it is. More freely you can move an action figure, the more to life you can bring it. You can bend the legs. It's just kind of stuck on there. Don't want to break it, but after a while, some wear and tear gets used to doing it, you know. I don't know what that sound was for, but okay. So, yeah. Hold on. Who needs this? So you just attach that right in the back there. Come on. It just goes in like that, and it doesn't look that stable. You can't put it in anymore, so it just floats there, I guess. I don't know if that adds any more realism to it, but I don't know. Anyway, that's him, and then, you know, he happens to summon in this dude, who's, just torn off someone's leg. No! You cannot eat